you were born in Jamaica?
Yeah, my parents are also all born in Jamaica.
So like,
My grandparents are
when did you move out here?
after high school. I was like
After high school?
16.
Do you go back to
That's
Jamaica
how I know.
often?
I do now more for Christmas and stuff like that.
Oh, okay.
My wife's from here and my whole life has been here now.
Oh wow.
But I'm the only one. My whole family's still in Jamaica, just not.
Oh wow. And are they all white like you?
Yes.
I've never met a white Jamaican before. It's like my first time. Is it? Did you start working with horses back in Jamaica?
Yes.
You did.
All my grandparents did actually. 3 of my 4 grandparents all worked with horses.
You play too, right? You play?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I won the Open here a couple years.
Oh, you won the Open.
Yeah.
Wow, nice, amazing, man. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
You know, I studied Spanish in school for 11 years. I never learned it. I came here and learned it in, I don't know, 5 years.
Wow.